And friends, here under the rainbow flag, Native Americans, Hispanics, Asians, blacks, and whites have assembled, and we recognize that we are not each other's worst enemy. It is this kind of coming together that makes penetrating those massive walls of homophobia a reality. On this 15th anniversary of the Stonewall riots, we are indeed still revolting. And as we stand at the threshold in the central arena of the struggle of the liberation of all human beings, and as we listen to the whispers in our community of systems being designed for the quarantine of people with AIDS, so it is we must begin to challenge the nature of things. And as the city of San Francisco conducts police sweeps through our community, attempting to silence us, those citizens who are responsible for creating this culture, so it is we must begin to challenge the nature of things. Now is the time for us to individually reform our little worlds. Now is the time for us to become involved, really involved at whatever level appears appropriate to us right now. We must become involved in our homes, in our communities, and in our institutions. We all have the personal responsibility to create a society free of racism, a society free from sexism, a society free from ageism, and a society free from all of our oppressions. Thank you and have a great day.